In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on discounts for invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever wanted to offer a percentage off or a flat dollar reduction on an invoice and couldn't find where to add it, this quick setup will make that option appear right where you need it. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online company. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. From the menu that opens, choose Account and Settings. This area controls the global preferences for how your sales forms behave and what fields are available. On the left side of the Account and Settings window, click Sales. This section holds everything related to your invoicing experience. Scroll down until you see the Sales Form Content area. Here, you'll find a list of optional fields you can show or hide on your sales forms. Look for the option labeled Show Discount Field on Invoices. Check that box to enable it. After you've checked the box, click Save to lock in the change, and then click Done to close the settings window. That's it. Your discount field is now activated. From now on, when you create or edit an invoice, you'll see a dedicated discount field near the bottom of the form, usually in the Totals area. You can enter either a percentage or a fixed amount, depending on how you prefer to discount. QuickBooks will automatically recalculate the totals and display the discount clearly on the invoice, so both you and your customer can see exactly how the final amount was determined. A couple of quick tips to help you get the most out of this feature. If you don't see Account and Settings, you may need admin or company-level permissions, so check with the person who manages your QuickBooks access. If the discount field doesn't appear immediately on an existing invoice, refresh your browser and open a new invoice to see the change. And remember, the discount applies to the entire invoice subtotal. If you need to discount individual line items instead, you can adjust those item prices directly or use separate line-level adjustments as part of your normal pricing setup. Turning on the discount field keeps your invoices cleaner, your pricing more transparent, and your books accurate without needing extra workaround items. Once it's enabled, it stays on until you turn it off in the same location. That's all you need to enable invoice discounts in QuickBooks Online. Save your settings and you're ready to offer clear, professional discounts on every invoice you send.